welcome back to my channel. You are watching a video of hotel. In this video, we will explain every details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. Here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and photos online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Talk about the benefits of this hotel, so you can see on the screen how it is required and check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is superb. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Description box. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video. Thanks for watching the video. So friends will